welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my newest tote from Coach. So I apologize if y'all see any dog hair in the background or the lint. I tried to clean this couch as best as I could, but it's just, I need to get the vacuum. So apologize for that, but I am very excited to share this tote with you guys. I'm absolutely in love with it. So I purchased this in the Portland outlet mall, so I did save on taxes, which was really nice. This is part of the fall collection, and it is the Nina Carryall Tote. It is 14.25 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and then 4 and I think 1/4 inches in depth. It fits so much. As I mentioned, I purchased this in my most recent trip to Oregon, and so I did use this for school. I think this is the perfect school and work tote. I also purchased another one, also great option as well. And since it's the outlet, it was a great price. So I think right now it's currently on sale for $230 because it's newer. Typically, I think in a few months, these bags go down to like $150, $160. You can catch them on a flash sale, save an additional amount, but I think it's totally worth the $200 price range. Y'all know I love a croc design. There's also a really gorgeous black option, and I was debating whether to get both or that one. I know I have so many black totes, and I was instantly drawn to the taupe, and I don't have anything in this color, so I decided to purchase this one. It does come with like the tag and the little like beaded like strap thing. I personally am not a fan of carrying those. I don't know, I just like the bag as is, and plus they always fall off anyways in my opinion, so I removed that. This bag is just so gorgeous. I think it's perfect for fall and winter, and I think honestly just every day because of the colorway. I really like this because it goes well with my nude and taupe heels, so I was really excited to purchase this for that reason. It has gold accents, you have the Coach logo. The drop handle is 10.5 inches. You can fit it comfortably around your arm. I also wore like a jacket, like a light jacket and a blazer during residency, and it fit perfectly with room. So it's definitely a large drop, and it's nice for, again, work and school. So on the interior, I am currently using this bag, so I do have stuff in here. I also wanted to show y'all what fits. But you have the tag in here with the serial number. You have a magnetic holder so that it can close shut. And then on the right side, you have a little pen holder, as well as 2 pockets that you can fit your key and your phone in, which is really nice. And then you have a lot of room. Again, I'll share what you can fit in here. What I really like are the zipper compartments. So the main reason I love this bag and why I was shopping for totes is I wanted something for my laptops. And I've learned, and I'll cover this in my next unboxing video of the other bag that I bought, but I like vertical totes, horizontal totes, not vertical totes, because I like being able to lay things down and I like being able to see them better. And so when it's a wider bag instead of taller bag, you definitely can see more inside of the bag. But one thing that I really love is you have these 2 zips, as I was saying, and your 13-inch MacBook Pro can fit inside of the zipper. So that's something that instantly drew me to this bag. It's hard to do this one-handed, sorry guys, I'm filming this on my phone. But it does come in and out easily regardless of me struggling because I'm doing this one-handed. But if it's a perfect fit, it stays nice and protected as well, and I just love that. So I purchased it and wanted to try it out, and once I saw that the MacBook fits in here and it can have its own little compartment, I knew it was perfect. And I think that's why I definitely want to go back for the black, because that'll make it one, I really just love the black, but 2, I think these are just so functional because you can keep your MacBook stored and away from everything. And then you also have room, for example, on the side, I have my iPad mini over here, but you can, even if you want to lock something up, like maybe your wallet or your keys over there, but you can secure it in the zip. But you can store so much in here, which we'll again get into. I have receipts and stuff, but right now I just have my SLGs in here. But yeah, it just fits so much, and it's perfect for whatever you need to carry. Let me grab a few planners so y'all can see how everything looks in here. All right, so right now in the middle compartment, I'm not gonna remove the laptop or the iPad so y'all can see everything, but I am gonna remove this for now. But I have my Chanel, I think this is a small cosmetic case, and then sunglasses. I have my Chanel card holder in here. This is my wallet. And I have another pair of sunglasses. Oh, my reading glasses are in that one right now. And this is for my sunglasses. That's everything that I have in there right now. Obviously, it fits a lot more. But for residency, I brought my planner with. And I have my A5 or GM Louis Vuitton agenda. And you can fit it vertically or horizontally. You can also fit a lot more in here, and that's why I was saying this one just has so much room. It definitely is like a structured and great keep all bag. I honestly think this is gonna be one of my favorite totes. Here's what the medium ring looks like inside of here, and then I can still fit everything else that I need. Like I said, like maybe let's put my wallet in here for fun, but like my glasses, and then I forgot to put my keys in, but I have everything that I need, and I'll tuck them in to the pocket because I just like being able to find them easier. Yeah, here's what everything looks like, and so I can keep my MacBook, my AirPod, even a second MacBook, wallet, SLGs, everything inside of this tote. Of course, it makes it a little heavy, but this is how I essentially packed it for residency, how I would pack it to go study at Starbucks or go to work. And so I love it. I think it's like the perfect tote. And again, I think it's a great price. It's a gorgeous bag. It's beautiful quality, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So yeah, that is what fits, and that is inside of the Coach Nina Carryall Tote. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll have links below, and thank you guys so much for watching.